I'm Sean Conaway. I'm part of the management team here at our structural facility in Omaha. We settled with Voortman on the first phase of this here at our North Plant facility. So we put in the V807 with the shot blaster, and it's been remarkable. It's been the best experience we've had with an install in large equipment. And we've had several over the years. Our goal is to run as much material as possible through the V807. Everything we run through there, it's more efficient. Any type of structural section or shape we'll run through here. Our goal is primarily beams and tubes, but we do the smaller stuff as well. And again, we do use the blaster to pre-blast materials that we can send to other lines, just so we can avoid post-blasting material, and we can go directly from fab right to paint. The reason we wanted a robotic line is just the advantages of the efficiency, one process doing everything, one machine doing every process. Our core market is commercial buildings, hospitals, data center work. We've had some projects where it might be bridge work for the railroad. It's required to be drilled, so we'll drill all that material in a 20-foot stock length or a 10 or 15 foot, and then we'll bring it down, run it through the 807, and it'll cut it to length, do the copes and any splitting. Also, the layout lines were just a huge advantage to us. We noticed it right away. It literally cut our fitting time in half. We had one of our director happen to be walking out past a fitter and noticed something didn't look right, and it's like, hey, that looks like it's a 1/4 inch over that line, and they checked it, and yeah, he had to spin the plate around, so he was a 1/4 inch off, and so the machine was more accurate than, you know, our fitters. This has been far and away the most accurate, repeatable equipment, and we've had the best support out of any system that we've purchased. And that's what we're looking for, is repeatability. So we're getting consistent output from all of our operators on all of our shifts, where in the past, a lot of times it might vary on the skill of your operator, or, you know, or their work ethic, or their ability to problem solve. So the automation has made it much more consistent. Our operators, all they do is worry about operating their machine. They don't have to worry about moving any of this material. It's all done automatically, so they're just focused on, is my machine running? Is my machine running right? And that's all they have to worry about. And that's what integration is. It's your machines are doing what they need to do. You can't speed them up. All you can do is slow them down if you're just not paying attention. So again, we just look at, how do I keep my machine going? One thing we did with this line that we haven't done on other lines is we empowered all our operators. Call Voortman. If there's an issue, you guys can't figure it out, maintenance over here, call Voortman. We just relied on Voortman, and they've delivered every time we've had a question, and, you know, it's worked out very well.